Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get new characters on the Squad Buster game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you are playing the Squad Busters game, if you wish to get more characters, then you will simply need to complete various different levels with which you can gain rewards and you will unlock new characters. When you win matches, you will be able to open various different chests. Tap on Open Chest and you can continue to tap until you are given your reward, which is a new character in most cases. Tap on the OK button, and now this character has been added to your squad. If this character already exists, then you will now be able to upgrade this character. Go ahead and tap on it, and now tap on New Evolution to evolve this character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock new characters on the Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.